Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for crispy Mediterranean oven-baked chicken wings. This uses a really interesting spice blend. If you like chicken wings but you're looking for an interesting way to spice it up, you're going to love this recipe. Stick around, I'll show you how it's done. So I have 12 chicken wing sections. We have the chicken wings already cut up. I have some flats and some drums. I took these out of the refrigerator about 40 minutes before the cooking is going to begin, and I've patted them as dry as I can get them. That's very important to get crispy wings, to make sure they're as dry as you can get them. And since we're doing Mediterranean baked chicken wings, I have a really interesting dry seasoning blend that's going to go onto the chicken wings. I have a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon sea salt, half a teaspoon black pepper. I have half a teaspoon roasted cumin, half a teaspoon roasted coriander. If you can't find the roasted versions, the regulars do work well. I have a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And it is important to mix those spices up before we put them on the chicken wings, just to make sure everything is evenly coated. So you just want to put that all in a bowl and just kind of stir it around with a spoon a little bit. And now we just want to combine everything in a big bowl. So I have my chicken wings in, and I'm going to just go in with the spice mixture. And I'm going to get in there with my hands and just mix this all up. You want to coat it very evenly along all pieces of the chicken. And that's what we're going for. We just want a really even coating of the Mediterranean spices on the chicken. And I find what works best is to use one of these racks. When we put them in the oven, you want them raised up. It's going to get the convection, get the air and the heat circulating on all sides of the chicken. So you just want to lay the chicken on as evenly as you can. You don't want any overlap. You want to leave a little bit of space between each piece. Okay, and these are ready to go. I have an oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll notice I didn't use any oil. You actually don't need any oil when doing oven-baked chicken wings. There's plenty of fat and oil that's going to come out from that chicken skin. So I'm going to pop these in the oven and we'll check back in about 20 to 22 minutes. Okay, so I just popped them out after 22 minutes in the oven. You'll notice they're starting to crisp. They still have a ways to go, but at this point I have stopped my timer. 22 minutes in, and I'm going to flip these all over. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop them back in. I usually let them go for about 38 to 40 minutes total. Okay, so they've all been flipped. I am going to pop these right back in the oven. Okay, so they cooked in the oven, 425 degrees for a total of 39 minutes, and that's how they look. These are ready to be plated up. Okay, so I have served these up with some chopped parsley, lemon wedges, and a tzatziki sauce. My favorite part of every video. Let's dig in and give these a try. Going with a little of that sauce. Oh man, that is good. So these got a really crispy exterior. You don't have to deep fry to get a really crispy result when you're making chicken wings. The Mediterranean spice blend goes great. There's some heat from the Aleppo pepper, but not too much, and it's balanced out perfectly from that tzatziki sauce. You have to give this recipe a try. It is so good and so easy to throw together. It's healthy. There's nothing not to like. So I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm Eric, Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon.